Hello everyone, it is I, the Phantom Knight. I'm back with Lava Fires. We're going to be continuing off at 5 Pebbles.
We're gonna be
Meeting him for the 5th time. This whole series.
technically this is the first time. This is the first time my Pebbles has met a slug cave.
Timeline wise,
Yeah.
you want me to throw spear at it?
I already did.
I still find it funny how most of these I'm now outspeeding you.
You wanna grab it?
Sure. What even is this?
It's another one of these dialogue. Live broadcast.
7 reds and no significance.
SRS and NSH. It's another short. Do you know how I sent the sensitive information last time? It certainly wasn't over. The broadcast network.
Broadcast network?
Yeah, that's how they're able to send all these broadcasts. I purposed a messenger and sent the information by land via a data pearl.
Which is currently in the Spearmaster.
Yes. How original of you. I learned it from the best. At least I used it for something more practical.
Wait, so are we even a real slugcat if we just have a data pearl inside of us? Hold up, that actually sounded a little gay.
I mean, if you call that practical, sure. Look how well things turned out. Regardless, the fact is the method worked fine last time. The info was delivered and the messenger even returned safely. So I've recently sent it out again to deliver another message despite the closed communication line.
Oh, so are the messengers for SRS.
Yeah. With how this situation has evolved, that's going to be quite the dangerous trip compared to before.
Wait, who's the previous one before us?
No idea. No one knows, because we are the first in the campaign.
Wait, we're the first one to come here? Like timeline wise, before Hunter or
Yeah.
Gourmand?
Before Artificer. Artificer's second, Hunter is third, Gourmand is fourth, Survivor, Monk, Rivulet, and Insane. Again, that may not be an issue. I've outfitted my messenger with all it needs to protect himself.
Which is our spears.
Yeah, which is our Spearable.
How funny would it be if I just threw a spear at 5 Pebbles? So just be sure to ditch the spears. Gravity. Not affecting, yes. Wait up for me. I swear, this place still looks ominous. Ah, fuck.
Get some spears. Oh my. We'll both need to go in here at the same time.
Why can't just one of us go in?
I think it'll force us both to
Anyway,
teleport. Plus, it's gonna be. We're gonna see who's gonna get the balls.
okay, should we stick together? Plus,
Give me the pearl. You will be hurt, so you won't be able.
wait, I was the one that got hurt?
Yeah.
Wait, did you get it? Wait, did you get it?
I think I do. I have it.
Oh, thank goodness. Wait, really?
Yeah, it's the pearl.
Okay.
Check. Check. Yeah, we have it.
Okay, thank goodness. I was nervous for a moment. Wait, so my character's injured, right?
Yeah, it got hurt, but now it's fine. Now that I'm holding the spear, I won't be able to hold two spears.
So I'm probably gonna have to do all the killing.
Yeah.
Bet. I swear I hate this. It was much easier when it was Rivulet.
Yeah, because there was no gravity.
Everyone else, it just sucks. Because they don't have the same movements required as Rivulet to move around. Just.
No, I threw this. Yeah, you see this pearl?
Yeah?
It's black and red. It's on the floor.
Grab it then.
Yeah.
Wait, that's the pearl we need?
Yep. And then we need to take this pearl to Luxor Moon.
This could take a while.
And then after that, we're gonna take the pearl to Sky Islands, which is literally left.
There we go. They made us a little ladder to make things a lot easier. Keep overshooting it. Let's try that again.
Oh my.
fucking fact. Didn't we already get that?
I think it changes after. I don't know why, but it just does.
And
You
that's
press B to like make it go a little bit faster. Oh no.
wait, is 5 Pebbles now pissed?
What is the matter? I'm worried. I'm sorry, I need a moment. 7 red suns, are you okay? The messenger made it to 5 Pebbles.
Oh, so we were the ones sent to 5 Pebbles. Nice.
Yeah. He was so furious. 5 Pebbles was.
Oh, okay. Wait, why is 5 Pebbles bad?
Why?
Wait,
Down here.
Okay. This shit over here. Oh, guys, that was a lovely video. I hope you all enjoyed. So, I kind of hope to see you all next time. Bye.